Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about oats and grains other than wheat and rice. But before we get into that, I'd like to take this opportunity to remind everybody, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, click that little red button right down there. It's a great opportunity. Just go ahead and click it and then ring the notification bell. It pops up. That way you get notified every time I post one of these educational videos. Alrighty? Okay, other grains besides wheat and rice. Well, oats is probably the one most people think about because, hey, you got oatmeal, instant oats and stuff like that. And other grains include corn, cornbread, cornmeal, barley. Barley can be used for making flours and making breads and stuff, and it can be used for making beverages. Rye. It's another seed that can be used for making flour. There are a bunch of different grains that you probably use or are in stuff that you use that you don't realize are in the ingredients. So start checking the ingredients on some of your flours, pastries, breads, and other stuff. And if you drink a hot drink like Postum, it has a lot of other grains in there. Notably, barley is one of the ones in there for it. So check check what's out there, see what you might like, try some stuff out, and work on it. Think of all the hot cereals are. Well, yeah, cream of wheat. So you have wheat, you make cream of wheat, oatmeal, maltomeal. What's in maltomeal? I ain't gonna tell you. Go look it up yourself. Do some research on your own. It gives you more power and knowledge when you do it. Check out what's out there for hot cereals and stuff, and you'll be surprised what there is that you can use not only for hot cereals, but for making different types of flours, for making different types of breads. Because remember, variety keeps you from getting bored. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, clothing, medicine, skills, knowledge, and anything else you might need to keep your life happy and thriving in a disaster. Why? Well, this is why.